What's up guys, I am Nikhil here from TechNest and welcome back to another episode of the monthly best Android app series. In this series, we are trying to showcase the top 10 Android app which you must try in every month. And the selection of our app is based on their productivity, optimum utilization of RAM, storage and battery. Also how much it's secure for you. So we have tested various apps in different category and bring out the best top 10 Android app for you. But before we start, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, which will help you to get the notification when we release such awesome videos for you. Now let's start the video with our first app, which is OneWeather. OneWeather has been around for a long time and it is not only one of the most popular weather apps but also one of the most highest rated. It comes with your standard features like your daily and hourly forecast along with access to additional information. The main advantage of this app is that you will get 12-week extended weather forecast. This app also has weather radar, which shows the location of precipitation, its type like rain, snow and ice, and its recent movement to help you to plan your day. It also has a section called IWTV where you can get daily news update. It also includes video related to weather which help you to learn about different weather terminology. You will also get air quality index details for your local area. Getting all these detailed information at one place make it as a great app. There are also some weather widgets available. The design is crisp and clear. It also comes with Android Wear support, weather tracking for up to 12 cities and has support for 25 languages. You will find all these features in free version with advertisement, and if you want to remove the ads then you have to pay few bucks. Now moving to our second app, which is Reface. Reface is a new app that allows users to place their face onto the image of someone in the existing GIFs or video. Want to be Britney Spears in her toxic music video? Or how about Robert Downey Jr. in Iron Man? No problem. It takes just a few seconds to get a new vid that will impress and amuse your friends. You can make ridiculously realistic face swap video and GIFs with just a single selfie. Reface will absolutely floor you as you mop your face, switch it with celebrities and become a new person in a popular TV and movie clip. Third app in our list is Dolby On. If you are looking for a powerful audio recorder, then you must try Dolby On. Even this is one of the most powerful voice recording app available for Android phones. The Dolby On app works as a dedicated audio recorder or as a video and audio recorder combination. And what makes it different to the existing apps on your phone is Dolby's secret sauce for improving sound. The app listens to the sound around you and reduces irritating background noise, then tweaks different aspects of what you are recording from the equalizer to the sound stage to clean everything up. Here we have two samples. This voice is recorded from the Dolby On app where you can recognize the quality of sound with minimal background noise. And this sample is from normal OnePlus recording app, which is very raw and having lots of background noise. This comparison makes Dolby On as a clear winner. Now the fourth app in our list is LastPass Password Manager. Nowadays we have login credential for almost all the app, from social media to your bank account, and remember all these passwords are quite a difficult task. That's why LastPass is one of those must-have Android app. It's a password manager that lets you save your login credential in a safe and secure way. On top of that, it can help to generate nearly impossible password for you to use for your accounts. It's all controlled with a master password. It has cross-platform support, so you can use it on your computer, mobile device, tablet or whatever. There are lots of other apps available on the Google Play Store, but LastPass always feel like it's one step ahead. Additionally, the premium version is cheap. You can also grab LastPass Authenticator to go along with it for additional security. There are other options for great password manager here if you need more options. However, we like LastPass a little more friendly and secure, especially with its extra authenticator app. Next app in our list is Nova Launcher. You can customize the appearance pixel by pixel in a way that you just can't do on iPhones, especially launcher apps like the excellent Nova Launcher. Change their size, tweak text and label setting, introduce more gesture control, completely reskin your phone with new themes and much more. If you sell out the premium upgrade, it piles even more visual customization. Next app in our list is Over. Are you looking for a logo maker, a speedy photo editor, a fly maker, or a post maker that is easy to use? Then Over app for you, where you can design and edit your photos quickly and effortlessly. No design skill needed. You can design a beautiful Instagram story, print store post, or Facebook banner in a minute, and go beyond social media and create stunning invitation for your next event. Use Over as a fly maker and create impactful content with style and easy to edit templates. Whether you are looking for a logo maker, fly maker, or post maker, Over is designing app for you. Next app in our list is Sleep Story for calm sleep. Sleepwise Visa is your go-to sleep app when you want to sleep well. If you want to get deep sleep but can't because of negative thoughts and worries trouble your mind, Sleep app is here to give you some headspace and provide any sleep aid that you need to sleep better. Sleep stories include bedtime stories, help you to breathe, calm down and free yourself from stress, and meditations help you with sleep relaxation. Relieve stress, have a restful sleep, relax and calm with all the tools that are provided by the Sleep Relaxation app. Listen to a different sleep story every day to fall asleep. Sleepy time tales are the best thing that could happen when sleep is mile away from your eyes and you are not sleepiest. Reveal the comforting nostalgia of bedtime stories with Sleep Story for grown-ups as they help to drift into sleep. Next app in our list is IFTTT. I don't know how to call it, but it means if this then that. It simply works on the principle of action of any reaction. This app ties together different apps. When a trigger happens on a service, that means if this, then the action results in other. That means than that. You can integrate a whole bunch of programs including social media, web app, hardware devices, online services, smart home platforms and more. The app works particularly well with an Android device. You can use this to change your phone's wallpaper every day, back up your SMS to email, post to multiple social media at same time, or switch off your Wi-Fi when you leave the house. This is just an idea of what's possible. IFTTT has many more ability for you to explore. Probably a bit confusing for you to understand its function, but you should must try this app, and as you start using it, you will start liking it as well. Coming to next app, which is Pocket. You never have enough time to catch up with all those online articles. Instead of leaving tabs to proliferate, Pocket lets you to save articles from any browser, whether it is on your computer, tablet or phone. Then read these articles at your leisure on Android app. You can even sync the items so they will be accessible when you are offline. What's more, Pocket will stripe out the advertisement and other distraction from the web page to give you a clean reading experience that is easy on the eyes. Extra features such as advanced search and auto tagging require a premium subscription. It also has added bonus to remove the ad from the Pocket app. Now the last app in our list is What's on Flix. This app is for those who are confused what to watch on Netflix. What on Flix is one of the best free entertainment app available for Android users. This app updates you on what to watch next on Netflix. This app helps to discover, filter, search the latest movie series over Netflix. This app have daily updated list which shows newcomers and soon expiring content with information, description, rating, trailers and containing direct link for view on Netflix. So this is all from us for this month. Let me know in the comment section which app you like the most. If you like the video, like and share the video and subscribe my channel. If you don't, still you know what you have to do. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, be safe and stay digitally connected.